So, as you can see, I've whisked up 2 egg whites with a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Really and thick. So, this is breakfast. How exciting! And what I've got cooking in my pan here, I've got 2 plums and some water and cinnamon and a little bit of sweetener, cooking down, reducing so it goes thick, with some of those beautiful forage fruits I got yesterday, some of those hedgerow fruits. So they're cooking now, and I've just toasted 2 crumpets, and I'm going to construct my beautiful breakfast in a moment, and you'll see what I'm doing. Now I reckon that's cooked down enough. I did add some fresh lemon juice and some lemon zest also, so look at that, scrummy. Let me just turn the heat off. So I've got 2 little tins here, and I've put in there toasted crumpets. Now this could be for 2 people or 1, but you know what, I'm hungry, I'm having both. So they're toasted, and I've put some fried light in the dish. It's going to top with the fruit, like so. That'll be enough. And then I'm going to put the egg white on top. So I've ransacked my drawers to try and find my piping bag and couldn't find it. So we're going for a rustic charm look. So just get a few of my almonds and place them on top. Doesn't need a lot, just really for decoration. They look nice when they're cooked and tinged through. So just 1 point's worth. Just poke them in like so they stick out a little bit. I was so glad when I went shopping and they had the almonds in stock. Although I must admit, the hazelnuts have been a real treat and a pleasure to have, and they do work really well. And you get a lot, 7 hazelnuts, 1 point, and then they bash up and make quite a large portion. So there you go, that's going in the oven now to brown off for a few minutes, and hopefully we'll have a scrummy breakfast. Impressed? I am. They look awesome. Now I've made something like this similar in the past where I've used an apple as a base, and that was also really nice. But I saw a video on Facebook yesterday where they used some sort of cake at the bottom and jam, and that looked fantastic. So I thought, how can I make that as near as no count as possible? So this is how I go about my no count life. I see things that inspire me, and I convert them into a no count plan, and from the no count food list. And yeah, it's exciting. It's rewarding when things like this come out too. So on my dish there, I've got just some quark flavoured with toffee drops and a few pomegranates. So the task now is, can I get them out the dish without dropping them? We'll see. Absolutely easy peasy. So there's the dish. Came out clean as a whistle. I did put some fry light in there to begin with. And there is my indulgent, scrummy, wait for it, 1 point, no count, indulgent breakfast. And I think it's time to eat. I'll let you know what it tastes like. Yum.